to Narbaha. Narbaha. 3 points. Yes, sir. Easy 3 by Justin number 22. De La Cruz. Hilo. Pasto Flores. Nabitawan. Nakuha pa rin. Nandun si Seban. Pasto Banta. Banta. Easy 2 points by Justin number 7. Tingin sa kamera. Narbaha. Narbaha didiskarta. Pasto Lalata, Sasagasa, Pasto Narbaha, putback, no good, rebound by Miran, nabitawan ng bola, nakuha ulit. Pasto Lalata, Sasagasa, up, rebound. Brings ball. Didiscarte. Hilo, putback, no good, nandun si Sagot, Pukicur, easy 2 points. Narbaha, dadala ng bola, didiscarte, still by Hilo, foul by jersey number 21, Narbaha, blocking foul. Time remaining 8 minutes and 26 seconds. That's your first personal foul, first team foul. Second to Hilo, didiscarte, Hilo, putback, no good. Nakuha ni Bantag to the offense. Bantag, second up, foul. Jersey number 04, Galvan. That's your first personal foul, second team foul. Bantag president, no good, ready jumper. Ini Samunayan by jersey number 7, Bantag. De La Cruz to Lalata, crossover, Lalata, didiscarte, to De La Cruz again, block by Sagun. Nakuha ni Hilo, didiscarte, push forward by jersey number 15, Miran. That's your first personal foul, third team foul.
Centro. Alasos. Tire.
First attempt by Hilo, no good, ready jumper. Second attempt, Ilis Kamanayan by jersey number 17. Pasto Lalata, mamadali. Still by Esteban, pasto Hilo, 1-on-1 by De La Cruz. Put up, no good. Rebound by De La Cruz to Lalata, crossover. Lalata, butik mabitawan ng bola. Nandun si Narbaha, for 2, no good. Sino rebound by Bantag, mamadali. Bantag, papasan, Pasto Flores, Torres to Hilo, pupukul ng 3. Binigay kay Bantag, siyang titira. Bantag for 3, no good. Nandun si Steven, easy to by Esteban. Galvan to De La Cruz to Lalata didiscarte. Time remaining 7 minutes and 15 seconds. Lalata. Time to shoot. Lalata for 3, no good. Rebound by Esteban didiscarte. Pass to Hilo to Sagun, the 3-pointer. No good. Rebound by Narbaha, nandun na si Miran, nagmamadali. Easy layup by Miran. Hilo for 7. Hilo didiscarte. Time remaining 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Hilo didiscarte. Hilo, bitawan ng bola. Nakuha ni Miran didiscarte. Nabitawan pang bola. Nakuha pa rin ni Miran. Sa ilalim, no good. Rebound ni Miran again. Sasagasa, no good. Nahanap ng foul. Bantag to Sagun, nagkape sa no good. Rebound pa rin ni Sagun, push forward by jersey number 22, De La Cruz, holding foul. That's your first personal foul. Substitution. Flores out, Flores in. Warning for penalty central. Time remaining 6 minutes and 8 seconds. Second attempt, right jumper. No good. Rebound by Lalata. Lalata di diskarte. Lalata crossover. Lalata up. Nabitawan ng bola. Lalata di diskarte agad. Lalata. Nakuha ni Pantag. Pantag. Nandun na si Flores and Hilo. 2-2. Flores. Easy 2 points by Flores. Time remaining 5 minutes and 45 seconds. De la Cruz to Miran. Miran di diskarte sa ilalim. Pass to De la Cruz. Still by Flores. Flores, 2-2. Flores, lay-up ball. Pass to Bantag. Bantag sa Sagasa. Easy 2 points by Bantag. By Cobra. Energy 3. Still again by Bantag. Bantag. Bantag lumamadali. Pass to Hilo. Hilo. Put that. No good. Out of bounds. Free ball. Time remaining 5 minutes and 18 seconds. Sabi. Pass to Bantag. Bantag. Push ko ng dog. No good. Nandun pa rin. Sino makakakuha ng rebound? Nag-aagawa ng bola. Oh. Same ball. Sagun. Sagun. Pass to 7 to Hilo. Hilo. Di diskarte. Pass to Flores. Flores sa labas. Pass to Kerry. Kerry. Easy 2 points by Sagun. Time remaining last 5 minutes. Score po natin 5-14. Lamang po ang Triggies. Who's power by jersey number. Nagba from the inbound. Ganap na papasahan. Pass to Lalata. Lalata di diskarte. Lalata. Time to shoot. Pass to De La Cruz. Easy 2 points by De La Cruz. Hilo. Hilo di diskarte. Hilo. Hilo. Sasagasa sa ilalim. Ganap papasahan. Pass to Sagun. Sagun. Put back. No good. Nandun lagi si Sagun. Sagun again. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni Hilo. Hilo. Oh. Hindi nakita ang pasa. Out of bounds. Hilo. Hilo di diskarte. Oh, pass to Sagun. Sagun na 3-pointer. By Sagun. Lalata di diskarte. Time remaining 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Lalata. Lalata. Pass to Galvan. Galvan. No good. Galvan again. Oy, nabitawan ng bola ng ni Sagun. Sagun to Flores. Flores, 4-on-1. Flores to Bantag. Bantag. Easy to put again by Bantag. Miran. Miran. Miran again. Sasagasa sa ilalim. Miran. No good. Out of bounds. Substitution way. De La Cruz to Lalata. Lalata di diskarte. Lalata. Lalata. Pupukul ng 3. Cruz, no good. Rebound by Narbaha. Narbaha. Easy 2 points by jersey number 21. Narbaha. Time remaining last 7 minutes and 10 seconds. Lawrence. Lawrence to discard. Lawrence. To Hilo. 10 to shoot. Hilo to discard. Hilo. No good. Rebound by Flores. No good again. Rebound again by Hilo. Hilo. Oh, who's power again?
Third quarter na.
Substitution rep. First attempt, no good.
Wait lang. Tulog. Mamaya. Pasok.
No good.
Oy, papasok.
Log. Admission may last. Lalata. Lalata di diskarte.
Si ano?
Lalata. Lalata.
Sino?
Put back. No good. Rebound by Hilo. Hilo. Now for the Flores. Flores. Time remaining. Last 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Flores. Flores.
Sila
Pass to
doon.
Miran. Using the glass. No good. Lalata. Lalata to Miran. Miran nandun na. Easy 2 points by Miran.
Sila daw nakasot.
Esteban to Flores. Flores. Flores nagmamadali. Layup. No good. Oh, it's stepping on the line. Substitution red. Toledo in Narvaja out.
Second quarter pa lang.
San Antonio in Galvan na oras.
Ang oras. Remaining time.
Time remaining po natin 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Miran. To De La Cruz for 3.
Carlo, kapag
Flores.
Carlo,
Flores. Flores di diskarte. Flores. Kaya nagpapasal. Pass to Miran. Miran. To Hilo. Hilo. Sa ilalim. No good. Rebound by De La Cruz. De La Cruz to San Antonio. San Antonio. Pass to Lalata. Lalata. Lalata di diskarte. Lalata. Sasagasa. Nabitawan. Na kay De La Cruz. De La Cruz. 2 points by De La Cruz. Time remaining 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Pass to Flores. Hello. 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 For 3. No good. Rebound by Miran. Last 5 minutes. Lalata. Lalata. Crossover. Layup. No good. Rebound by Esteban. Esteban to Hilo. Hilo nagmamadali. Turn around. No good. Nakuha pa rin Esteban. Esteban to Miran. Miran sa ilalim. Pinaka-out. 2 points. Miran. Up. Out of bounds. Substitution rep. Pasok. Labas.
Sugat ka. Sugat ka. Sugat ka.
Moving po natin 4 minutes and 42 seconds. Lalata. Lalata di diskarte. Lalata. Lalata to Miran. Miran pupukulan 3. By jersey number 15, Miran. Hilo. Hilo di diskarte. Hilo. Pass to Sagong. Sagong na 3-pointer. No good. Rebound by Lalata. Lalata. Lalata di diskarte. Lalata. Lalata crossover. No good. Pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz again for 3. No good. Rebound by Hilo. Hilo. Hilo di diskarte. Hilo. Nagmamadali. Hilo. No good. Miran di diskarte. 5 minutes, 3 minutes and 57 seconds. Time to shoot. Flores, pupukul ng 3. Airball.
Oy.
5 minutes, 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Time out Central. To Miran. Miran di diskarte. Miran di diskarte. Miran. Pass to Galpan. Galpan to Miran again. Miran sa Sagasa. Miran to Lalata. Lalata. 2 points by Lalata. Hilo. Hilo to Hilo. Hilo. Sagong. No good. Out of bounds. Tempo. Time remaining 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Miran to Hilo. To Sagong the 3-pointer. No good. Rebound by Galvan. Galvan to Miran. Miran di diskarte. Miran nagmamadali. Sasagasa. Miran. Using that. No good. Sino makakaw na rebound by Galvan. Galvan. Block by Sagong. Nakuha ni San Antonio. San Antonio Sasagasa. Ganap na papasan. Tension. Lalata for 3. Bang! By jersey number 11, Lalata. Time remaining 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Sagot. Traveling violation by Juicy number 2, Sagot. 2 minutes and 37 seconds. Galban Tuilo. Lalata for 3. No good. Rebound by Toledo. Toledo put back. No good. Rebound by Flores. Flores di discarte.
Punot. Hindi ka na.
Flores. No good. Nandun sino. Sagot. No good again. Lalata. Nandun si San Antonio. San Antonio nagmamadali. Tutuan. No, nag-fake. San Antonio. No good. Rebound by Hilo. Last 2 minutes. Hilo. Who's foul rep? By jersey number 06. Toledo. Time out. Central. Hilo from the free throw line. First attempt, 1 point by Hilo. Ready jumper, second attempt. Jumper.
41 bakla.
Okay, second attempt. Ready jumper. Point by Hilo. Ilang Cruz sumiran. Time remaining last 1 minute and 50 seconds. Miran. Who's foul rep? Jersey number 17, black and foul, Hilo. That's your second personal foul. First team foul. Miran to Narbaha. Narbaha to Toledo. Toledo. Pass to Galban. Galban. Di discarte. To De La Cruz for 3. No good. Rebound by Sagut. Last 1 minute and 35 seconds. Miran. Black by Miran. Black by Adik. Black by Kuya. Time remaining last 1 minute and 32 seconds. Miran to Hilo. Using the glass. Malakas. Nandun si Flores. 2 points by Flores. Miran to Galban to Miran. Miran nagmamadali. Miran di discarte. 3-1 up. Foul rep. Jersey number 11, Flores, black foul. That's your first personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots by Miran. Time remaining last 1 minute and 21 seconds. Miran first attempt, 1 point. Ilista mo na yan. Second attempt, ready jumper. Again. 1 point by Miran. Hilo di discarte. Hilo to Sagut na 3-pointer again. No good. Malakas. Rebound by Hilo. No good. Rebound again by Sagut using the glass. No good again. Rebound by De La Cruz to Miran. Miran 2-1. Miran sumagasa. No good. Rebound by Flores. Last 1 minute. Flores di discarte. Flores. Pass to Hilo. No good. Rebound by De La Cruz. Last 50 seconds. Still by Hilo di discarte. Pass to Flores. Elaine. No good. Rebound by out of bounds. Save ball. Last 40 seconds. Sabi po natin last 40.8 seconds. Hilo di discarte. Pass to Sagot. 3 points. No good. Rebound by Miran. Last 32 seconds. Miran di discarte. Miran 3-on-1 up. Who's foul rep? Jersey number 2, Sagut. Last 28 seconds. That's your first personal foul, third team foul. Miran from the free throw line. First attempt, no good. Ready jumper. Second attempt. Time remaining last 28 seconds. No good. Rebound by Flores. is still by De La Cruz. De La Cruz, so good. Drinking ball. Last 22 seconds. Sagul. Sagul, didiskarte. Sagul. Yunusef, no good. Rebound by Hilo again. 2 points by Hilo. Last 12 seconds. Is still again by Flores. Flores. Flores, 2 points by Flores. Last 8 seconds. Darba. Darba. 5 seconds. Up. Foul by jersey number 17. Hilo. That's your third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Last 4.8 seconds. Last to shoot. De La Cruz. 3, no good. That's the end of the second quarter. Official score 34-40. Meranto Lalata. Lalata didiskarte. Narbaha. Narbaha. Pupukulan 3. No good. Rebound by Hilo. Hilo. Hilo didiskarte. Hilo. Pass to Flores. Flores. Flores turn around. Flores. Pass to Bantag. 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 Go. Full peke. Sagun. No good. Rebound. Sino makakuna rebound by Miran. Miran. Nakuha pa rin ni Flores. Flores. 2 points by Flores.
Gila, betap jalan.
Narbaha. Narbaha didiskarte. Narbaha magtatawid. Narbaha. Oh. Pass to Galvan. Galvan. Pupukulan 3. No good. Rebound by Flores. Oh. Out of bounds. Last touch by Miran. Esteban to Flores. Flores. Flores didiskarte. Flores. Flores put back. No good. Rebound by De La Cruz. De La Cruz to Lalata. Lalata. 3-on-2. Lalata. Step up. No good. Out of bounds. Buparet. Jersey number 12. Hilo. That's your first personal foul. First team foul. First attempt by Lalata, no good, really jumper. Second attempt, ilista mo na yan by jersey number 11.
Galing din yun. Gawin, gawin.
Lawrence.
Counter mo, Kevin.
Lawrence didiskarte. Lawrence. Pass to Hilo. Hilo. Kanang napapasaan nandun si Sagun. Sagun using the glass. No good. Rebound by Bantag. Bantag patalikod. No good. Rebound by Lalata. Lalata. Lalata nagpapadali. Lalata 3-on-2 din. Lalata. Oh! Hindi nakita yung pasa. Out of bounds. Sagun. Sagun didiskarte. Sagun. Sagun. Oh! Step back. Side step. Ginamit ko lang namin. 2 points by Sagun. Lalata. Time remaining 8 minutes and 25 seconds. Lalata. Lalata didiskarte. Lalata. Lalata. Pass na matahan. Natahan. Naghihintay sa 3. Pupukol. No good. Short. Rebound by Sagun. Sagun nagmamadali again. Sagun. Sagun. The star player. Oh! Nagkapi sa ere. 2 points. Sagun fouled by Sagun. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 10. 11. Lalata. That's your second personal foul. Fourth team foul. Rebound by La Cruz. La Cruz, Lalata. Lalata didiskarte. Lalata. Over. Nandun si De La Cruz. Put back. Easy support by De La Cruz. Hilo is still by Miran. Up. Rusbalot. Pushing foul by jersey number 24 is Esteban. That's your first personal foul. Second team foul. Meranto Lalata. Lalata. 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Narbaha again. Pupukol agad sa 3. No good. Rebound by Flores. Flores. Flores didiskarte. Flores. Flores hinaras. Pass to Hilo. Hilo di diskarte. Hilo. Hilo. Put back. Naganap ng papasan. Nakuha ni Bantag. Bantag. Is still by Lalata. Lalata rin pa magaling. Lalata. Lalata. Libre. Libre. Two. By seven. Flores. Sagod. Sagod. Turn around. Sagod. Using the glass. So good. Rebound by. Nandun again si Bantag. No good again. Rebound pa rin ni Sagod. Sagod using the glass. Two points again by Sagod. Time remaining 7 minutes and 3 seconds. We run for 3. Who's my way? Number 7. Something is right.
Antas!
Nagbaha out, we run in. Pasok. Toledo in, Galvan out. Sweet results by Iran. No good. Time remaining po natin 6 minutes and 58 seconds. Second attempt. No good again. 3 shots po tayo. 3 shots. Last free throw. Second attempt. Third attempt. Ready jumper. No good pa rin. Rebound by Bantag. Bantag. Pass to 7. 7 to Hilo. 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 3 on 1. 2 by Sagod. Time remaining 6 minutes and 45 seconds. Iran is still by Sagod. Sagod. Binigay. Pass to Hilo. To Flores. Flores. 2 points by Flores. Parang all-star ang nagiging labanan. Lalata. 2 points. Easy. 2 points by Lalata. Flores di diskarte. Ganun papasaan pass to Hilo. Hilo. 3-0-2. Hilo is still by Miran. Miran to Miran. Miran. 3-1. Miran. Layup. 2 points by Miran. Last 6 minutes and 5 seconds. Sagod again. 3-0-2. Sagod, turn around. Out of bounds. Set for ball. Last 5 minutes and 59 seconds. Lalata di diskarte. Lalata. Pupukul ng press. No good. Rebound by Flores. Flores di diskarte. Flores.
Sikitibot sa papay nawan, bisi ka rin nalulungin.
Flores. Pass to 7, no good. Hindi makakakuha ng rebound. Nakalusin Leto. Out of bounds. Same ball. Time remaining po natin 5 minutes and 27 seconds. Pass to Sagod. Pass to Flores. Di diskarte. Pass to Sagod again. Sagod. Time to shoot. No good. Out of bounds. Who's correct? Same ball. Flores is still by Miran. Oh, is still again by Hilo. Hilo di diskarte. Crossover. Hilo. Oh, who's fouled? Jersey number 11, Lalata. That's your third personal foul. Third team foul. Last time remaining 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Sagod rebound by Bantag. Rebound by Miran di diskarte. Still by Flores di diskarte. Pass to Sagod. Oh, no good. Sino makakamuliman? Out of bounds. Central ball. Time remaining last 4 minutes and 42 seconds. Freeze ball.
Bulat tayo, mansasalat ka.
Sabihin nyo na agad. Pag tinigay nyo yung bola, wala na. Hilo. Hilo di discarte. Time remaining last 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Hilo to Hilo. Hilo to Esteban. No good. Rebound by Miran. Lalata. Lalata. Good ball. Lalata again. 2 points by Lalata. Jersey number 11. Time remaining last 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Hilo di discarte. Hilo. Oh, who's ball with? Jersey number 15. Miran. That's your second personal foul. Warning for penalty. First attempt by Hilo, no good. Second attempt, easy 1 point by Hilo. Lalata to Miran. Miran, pass to Miran, out of bounds. Time remaining 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Sagun to Hilo. Hilo. Hilo di discarte to Hilo. Hilo. Pass to Bantag. Pupukul ng tres. No good. Rebound by Miran. Miran. Nandun na si Miran. Nag-iintay. Out of pass again. Swinging ball. Flores di discarte to Esteban. To Hilo. Hilo sasagasa. Hilo. No good. Rebound by Esteban. Esteban turn around. 2 points by Esteban. De la Cruz. De la Cruz to Miran. Miran di discarte to Lalata. Lalata. Sasagasa. No good. Rebound by Esteban. To Hilo. Hilo. 2-2. Hilo. Using the glass. So good. Rebound by Miran. Miran. Pass to Toledo. Toledo di discarte. Toledo. Pass to De la Cruz. De la Cruz. Nabitawan ng bola. De la Cruz nagawin Esteban. Esteban. Still by Miran. Miran di discarte. Last 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Miran sasagasa to De la Cruz. No good. Sino makakakuha pa ng rebound? Out of bounds. Side ball. Time remaining 2 minutes and 59 seconds. Side ball. De la Cruz. Pass to Miran. Miran to Lalata. Lalata, pupukul ng tres. 3 points by Lalata. Jersey number 11. Time remaining po natin 2 minutes and 48 seconds. Flores. Hilo. Hilo to Sagun. Libre. 2 points by Sagun. Lalata. Lalata di discarte. Lalata.
65 po.
Lalata.
65.
Lalata.
65, 46.
Lalata. To 3. No good. Rebound by De la Cruz. De la Cruz. To Miran for 3. No good. Out of bounds. Time remaining 2 minutes and 17 seconds. Seven out of bounds. Substitution rep. Pasok lemas. Time remaining 2 minutes and 9 seconds. Diranto Lalata. Lalata di discarte. Lalata sasagasa. Out of bounds. Last 2 minutes. Hilo di discarte. Hilo. Nabitaw ng bola. Still by Lalata. Lalata 3-on-2. Lalata di discarte. Lalata dinadalawa. Lalata. Punta. 2 points again by Lalata. Last 1 minute and 45 seconds. Hilo di discarte. Hilo. Pass to Sagun bumalik. Black by Miran. May kasamang foul. Jersey number 15, Cylinder foul. That's your third personal foul. penalty. Time remaining last 1 minute and 34 seconds. First attempt by Sagun. Yes, sir. Second attempt, ready jumper. No good. Up. Foul by jersey number 11, Lalata. That's your fourth personal foul penalty. Warning for disqualification. Flores first attempt, no good. Ready jumper, second attempt. No good, rebound by Lalata. Lalata di diskarte, Lalata crossover. Lalata, last 1 minute and 28 seconds. No good, rebound by Hilo. Hilo to Flores, to Hilo. Hilo, nagmamadali. Hilo, to Sagun, Sagun, bumalik. No good, rebound by Flores. Flores to Flores. Sa 3, bang! Rebound by jersey number 11. Oh, is stepping on the line by jersey number 4, Galvan. Pamilin po natin last one. Pass to Hilo, Hilo to Sagun, Sagun babalik. Using last 2 points by Sagun. Last 1 minute and 4 seconds. Last 1 minute. Lalata, Binale, 2 points by Lalata. Flores to Hilo. Hilo is still by Lalata. Lalata, last 50 seconds. Side step, 2 points by Lalata. Last 48 seconds. Sagun, Sagun to diskarte. Up. 35 seconds. Lawrence for 3, no good. Rebound by Hilo. Hilo, 2 points by Hilo. Last 32 seconds. Miran, Miran, nagmamadali. Miran, kinaliwa. 2 points by Miran. Last 26 seconds. Hilo, 2 points by Hilo. Still again, last 20 seconds. Hilo, wala ang bola to Sagun. 2 points by Sagun. Last 14 seconds. Miran. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. That's the end of the third quarter.
Hindi po, kanina po. Nag-stop siya? Opo, meron pong ulan.
Rigging ball. Back to the game, players. Flores. Flores di diskarte. Flores. Pass to Miran. Miran. Using the glass. Atike. Sino makakuha ng bola? Oy, nag-aagawan. Meron pong isang bola dito. Nag-aagawan tayo. Nakuha din nila Cruz to Lalata. Lalata di diskarte. Lalata. Lalata, Binale. No good. Rebound by Flores. Flores to Hilo. Hilo, 2-on-1. Hilo. No good. Miran. Miran. Still by Miran. Miran to Lalata. Lalata, 2-on-2. Lalata. No good. Rebound by Hilo. Hilo. Hilo di diskarte. Hilo. 5-on-3. Hilo up. Good forward. A traveling violation. Time remaining last 9 minutes and 9 seconds. Miran to Miran. Miran. Miran di diskarte. Miran, pupulan red. Benga! Bui by jersey number 15. Miran. Hilo. Hilo. Pass to Esteban. Esteban to Flores. Flores. Nandun si Miran. Easy 2 points by Miran. Choose number 10. Miran. Miran. Pass to Lalata. Lalata. 1-on-1. Lalata. Sumeke. No good. Rebound again by Lalata. Last. Last touch by Lalata. Time remaining last 8 minutes and 40 seconds. Seven to Flores. Flores di diskarte. Flores. Flores with the take time. Flores. Flores to Hilong. Hilong. 10 to shoot. Flores. To Hilong. Hilong for 3. Out of bounds. Error ball. Time remaining 8 minutes and 15 seconds.
Namulag naman ito, hindi pa namulag.
Miran. Miran di diskarte. To Lalata. Lalata na libre sa tres. Tenga! Win by Juicy number 11. Lalata. Flores. Flores di diskarte. Flores. Flores. Flores crossover. Flores side step. Layup. Short. Flores again. No good. Up. Out of bounds. Last touch by Miran. Center ball. Last 7 minutes and 47 seconds. Miran. Miran to Miran. Miran. Nagmamadali. Easy. Easy set up. Out of bounds. Save ball. Miran. Miran to De La Cruz. De La Cruz to Lalata. 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 Grabe ang depensa. Lalata. Oh, crossover. 2-3. No good. Rebound by Hilo. Hilo. Pass to Flores. 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 Sinabol. Flores. Flores. Depensa Mindanao. Oh. No good. Nakakandiran. Bigay kay Hilo. 10 to shoot. Up. Jersey number 4, Galban. That's your 5th personal foul. Disqualification of the game. Last 7 minutes and 15 seconds. Jersey number 4, Galban. You are disqualified of the game. Bantag to Flores. Flores to diskarte. Flores pass to Miran. Miran to Esteban. Esteban 2 points by Esteban. Last 7 minutes and 5 seconds. Narbaha to Lalata. Lalata crossover. Lalata. Puno double kill. Lalata. Grabe ang depensa. Nakuha ni Hilo. Hilo. No good. Shot. Rebound by Lalata. 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 Nagmamadali. Lalata. Lalata. Binalay. No good. Nakuha ni Miran. Miran. 4-5. Miran. Grabe ang depensa ng Ading. Grabe ang depensa. Flores. 2-3. No good. Rebound by Hilo. 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 Up. No good. Nakuha ni Miran. Miran. Goal. Nakuha ni Lalata. 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 3-2. De La Cruz. Nabitawan. Up. Nakuha pa rin ni Lalata. Lalata. Di diskarte. Lalata. To De La Cruz. De La Cruz. No good. Rebound by Esteban. Esteban to Bantag. Bantag. Bantag di diskarte. Bantag. Up. Dilabas kay Flores. Flores. Time remaining 6 minutes and 5 seconds. Flores. Flores. Time to shoot.
May pula daan, hindi mikip lumad daan.
Flores. Nandun si Bantag. Bantag. Benga! Miran. Miran. 4-1 by De La Cruz. Pagkukulang 3. No good. Rebound bagay kay Miran. Miran. Nandun si De La Cruz. 2 points by De La Cruz. Time remaining 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Flores. Flores. Binalik. No good. Beautiful glass. No good again. Sino ba ko? Nako ni Bantag. Bantag. No good. Rebound by Miran. Nabitawan mo ako ni Miran. Miran. Miran to diskarte. 10 to shoot. Miran to diskarte. Miran to Bantag. Bantag. To Hilo. Hilo. No good. Rebound by Narbaha. 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Lalata crossover. Lalata. Lalata. Grabing depensa binibigay ito Hilo. Lalata. Tension. Narbaha Pumeke. No, blocked by Esteban. Jersey number 24 is Esteban. That's your second personal foul, first team foul. Time remaining last 5 minutes and 1 second. 2 shots by Narbaha. First attempt, no good. Second attempt, ready jumper. No good again, rebound by Flores. Flores di diskarte. Flores to Esteban. Esteban to Hilo. Hilo. To Miran. To take time. 4 minutes and 48 seconds. Oh, rebound again by Bantag. Up. Yellow ball. Center ball. Last 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Miran di diskarte. Miran. Pupukul ng tres. Miran, no good. Short. Rebound by Flores. Flores to take time to Hilo to Bantag. Bantag di diskarte. Bantag to Hilo for 3. No good. Rebound by Miran di diskarte. Miran side set. 2 points by Miran. Last 4 minutes and 12 seconds. Hilo. Pass to Bantag. Bantag di diskarte. Bantag to Esteban. 10 to shoot. Flores. Up. Guzman rip. Jersey number 07. Miran. Sagun in is 7 now. Last 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Sagun for 3, no good. Rebound again by Sagun. Sagun again. 2 points by Sagun. Last 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Lalata di diskarte. Lalata for 3. Bang! Hilo tidak mau papasan. Tuh Sagun to Bantag. Pupukulan tres. Last 3 minutes and 20 seconds. No good. Rebound by Flores. Flores take time. Flores di diskarte. Miran to Bantag. Time to shoot. Bantag for 3 again. No good. Rebound by Hilo. Blocked by Miran. Nandun na si Miran. Easy 2 points by Miran. Last 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Emergency substitution. Sagun sa ilalim.
Muna dito to bilang
Rebound by De La Cruz to Miran di diskarte. Miran kinaliwa. 2 points by Miran. Last 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Still by Miran. Nabitawan. Nakakuha ni Bantag na mamadali. Bantag indiretso bla. Bantag diretso. Nandun si Miran. No good. Rebound by Bantag. Guzman Web. Jersey number 7 Bantag. Time remaining 2 minutes and 11 seconds.
Mapayagnitan.
Miran for 3. Bang! Sagun to Flores. Time remaining last 1 minute and 55 seconds. Sagun, binali-balik. Nandun si Bantag. Labas kay Hilo for 3. No good. Rebound by Bantag. No good again. Last 1 minute and 40 seconds. Lalata. Lalata. Pasamiran. Oh. Flores. Flores. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Sagon again. No good. Rebound again by Sagon. Sagon. Put back. No good. Rebound by Duran. Duran. Rebound to Flores. Flores. Time remaining. Last 1 minute and 12 seconds. Flores. Flores to diskarte. Flores. To Miran. Miran to Sagon. Sagon. Pinale. No good. Rebound again by Sagon. Sagon. No good. Nakuha ni sila Cruz to Lalata. Last 53 seconds. Miran 2 points.
Hoy, sige ako yung gagalawan.
Last 50 seconds.
Hindi pipigatalay namang.
Pipigaro na bin.
Last 42 seconds. Foul by jersey number 11. Time remaining last 38 seconds. Second attempt, no good. De La Cruz to Miran. I-tres muna. Last 33 seconds. Nagba, 2 points.
Nga, hindi na kayo magano.
Pangalan na kami.
Last 25 seconds.
Ba?
Last 19 seconds. Last 15 seconds. 10 seconds. That's the end of the game. Kamayan Sports now.